The LG AC error code CH29 indicates that the inverter compressor current exceeds the allowed limit. This issue can be caused by poor outdoor unit air circulation or a faulty outdoor unit electronic expansion valve. To fix this problem, start by checking the outdoor unit heat exchanger. Begin by powering off the air conditioner and removing the cover using a screwdriver. Then, remove any accumulated dirt and debris. Reassemble the cover and power on the conditioner. If the issue persists, check the outdoor unit electronic expansion valve by disassembling the front covering and control panel's cover. Hold the expansion valve to confirm if it is vibrating. If not, ensure the external board connections are firm. Use a multimeter to measure the output voltage of the yellow connector on the external board, which should be around 220 volts. If the reading is incorrect, replace the board with a new one. If the problem remains, replace the expansion valve with a new unit, and then reassemble the conditioner's covering to complete the repair.